place to put my foot.
That's so funny. Got both doors off. Hi, welcome back to the vlog. It's Thursday afternoon. Having another red-faced day, and this time not because I'm drinking, but because it's hot outside. It has been a good 90 to 95 degrees the last 3 days, and it is just hot. So today I worked this morning, and then I went and got my yearly mammogram, which is always fun. But you gotta keep track of the girls. And I am now just finished work, and I'm sitting outside with the dogs who aren't moving much because it's so hot outside. We haven't seen our owls now for several days, so we figure that the adults got the babies and they're on their way to teaching them to be independent, which kind of makes me sad. I kind of liked watching the owls. It was fun. The guy who owned this land said that they come around every couple years and have new babies. So a couple years from now, we may have more babies. The adults hang around. Jeff's been talking to the adults since we moved in, so I'm sure they'll still be hanging around. But I love that hair. Oh well. So just enjoying the heat, I guess, if you can say it's enjoying. Tolerating. Wasn't that long ago we were complaining about how cold it was, so I guess we're just never happy. I know Jeff wants to try to get some work done around here. He wants to try to cut down some trees this weekend. I don't see that happening if it stays this hot, but apparently it's the temperature is supposed to nosedive and get into the 70s, which when you're at like almost 100, I guess that is nosediving. So, but whatever we do, we'll take you along with us. So welcome, and if you're new here, please subscribe, and we'll check in a little bit. Good morning. It is Saturday morning. I am looking for the pups. They took off running. Oh, there they are. It is so nice out here. It's like, I don't know, 55, 56 degrees. The sun's out. There's not a cloud in the sky. It is beautiful. It's a beautiful Saturday morning. We were out late last night. We went down to Columbus, but we got home late, and I don't think we got to bed till like midnight. And of course, 6:30, potty time for the dogs. So we are just getting our day started and figuring out what we're gonna do today. But it is just lovely out here. Jeff came out this morning first and heard clicking, and one of the baby owls was in the yard. And I didn't get that video because by the time I got over there, Mama was right above our heads in the trees and the dogs were coming over, so we didn't want anybody to get swooped on. And then when I went to go look for them later, they were gone. So they're moving a little faster these days than they were before, but they're still around. So that was exciting. Welcome to Saturday, and we'll see what we get into and see where the day takes us. But just wanted to say good morning on this beautiful Saturday morning. I think we've explained before how Zaya is obsessed with the hose. So that piece right there becomes a hot commodity. So we are constantly changing these nozzles. That one broke. She can't get it on, so I just turned the water off. We went to Walmart today and had to buy more. The last time we were at Walmart, they didn't have any. This is the one that she likes. They're $10 a piece. We got 3.
Move it.
I think she's trying to learn how to do it herself.
You just turn the water off so I can change
It's already off. What are you doing to my hose, Dad?
Okay, where's the new one?
Say, what's he doing to your hose? Mindy could care less. Right, Boo?
No, stop!
Zaya, no. It's not playtime yet.
That's a problem.
No, Zay.
No.
Wait. You gotta wait until Dad's done. Good girl. Sit and wait. You gotta wait. Zaya. Hey, Zay. Do you like your hose? Is it your bestest friend?
It's something like
She's
that.
trying to be patient. This trash. And we have a happy dog. We've got both doors off. I'm gonna take it for a ride here in a minute, but I wanted to show you. Jeff actually made these door hangers. It's a 2x6 with a couple eye hooks and a pull noodle to cushion the door. I've got the passenger side door there and the driver's side door there. Cost them all about $10 to make these. They hang like that. They're not going anywhere. Pretty cool. Is that good? Gotta eat it, honey, or your sister will eat it. Because Zaya's is empty. Is that good, Zay? This happens all the time. So the tree just fell off the stump. It's not a very big, I mean, it's a tall tree, but it's a very skinny tree. Zaya. Problem is we have too many trees and they get hung up in each other. It's hung up in that other tree. It's not funny, but you see it went from there to there, and now it's here. It's just so tall. I mean, it is stuck in all of those other trees.
Down easier.
Right onto the hammock. All right, we saved the hammock. No damage. There's part of the tree, there's part of the tree. Happy Monday morning. Just got done with a 2-mile walk. I am trying to get back on my routine. I used to do 2 miles like 4 days a week, and I just haven't been. So I said today is the day I'm going to start. So it is Monday, and I just finished 2 miles, so that felt good. I did not vlog anything yesterday. It was Father's Day. We had a good day. Got up in the morning, took Jeff to a little local place for breakfast, and then we came home and got the dogs out. He worked on cutting down some more trees, and then my son Michael and his wife Tori came up, and we spent the rest of the day sitting by the fire. Jeff was helping Michael with some paramedic EMT stuff that he was studying. Spent all day just not doing much, just kind of talking and laughing and just having a good time. It was a good Father's Day, but I didn't record anything. So, they left last night and we went to bed and got up early this morning and started another week. But I think we got a lot of footage on Saturday, as you'll probably have all seen by now. And it was a really nice weekend. The temperatures were fantastic. The weather was great. And we basically stayed home around here and did some work. And we still got a little bit to do. Here's kind of the aftermath. So Jeff cut a tree down over there and broke that branch. So we had to clean that up. There's a pile of logs there that need to be taken down to the wood burner. These need to be cut up and taken down to the wood burner to dry out. And then like this little pile and then that pile over there are going to be for the fire pit. I'm not sure. That may or may not be fire pit wood, but all of that's going down to the wood burner for the winter. But we burned a lot yesterday. Overall, a great weekend. So I hope you have a happy Monday. And we'll probably end this vlog here and we'll see you next weekend.